Connelly delay. I called Affordable Interiors and Jay came out and I showed him everything that I wanted done in my kitchen, which was pretty much gutting the whole entire kitchen and knocking out a wall to open it up. We went to the design center and picked out all of our colors. So I kind of already had the visionary of it in my head and kind of already knew what I wanted. And just all the colors went together perfectly and I had tons of compliments. And it was exactly what I envisioned it to be in my head. And I actually ended up not only having my kitchen completely renovated, they redid all the flooring in my house, and when they were doing the flooring in my house, they noticed that the subflooring, some of it had to be replaced, so they did all new subflooring as well. And I was extremely happy with the end product. My kitchen looked gorgeous, and it was exactly the way that I had expected it to be. Jay was very helpful throughout the whole process. If I had any questions or concerns, I can call him at any